on the 17th of February 2025, I received this official mail, YouTube telling me that I am now in the YouTube partnership program on my new channel, okay? And this is a channel with 3,000 subscribers, and of which you guys know this channel, or if you don't know this channel, this is Life of Vibratonia. You can also go and check. So I received this particular mail on the 17th saying, oh, welcome to YouTube partnership program. Congratulations, your dedication has finally paid off. You can turn on all the benefits. And once YouTube tell you that you can turn on all the benefit, it simply means you have to start setting your monetization process, okay? Which is turning on ads, stickers, super chats, membership. And I've been able to do videos on how you can also turn on all of those things. Probably some of them must have gone up and some are still not up. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to earn in the first 24 hours and also in the first 7 days, because today being 25th of February 2025 makes it 1 full week of me starting to make money from this particular channel. Okay, let me break it down so that you guys can understand. Once you get monetized, your money don't start reading immediately. Once you have turned on everything, so I officially turned on everything that same day of that same 17th of February, right? But I was seeing 0.0 cents, and even on the 18th, I was seeing 0.0 cents. Until on the 19th of February, the money started reading. Okay, I started seeing beautiful stuff, and the first money I saw, like, it really wowed me. It really wowed me because if I compared it to this particular channel, guys, the channel with 3,000 subscribers is really doing well. So anyways, in today's video, I'll go into my YouTube channel and expose all of that to you. So if you're looking forward to get monetized, this video is for you. If you're looking forward to start making money on YouTube as well, this video is for you as well, okay? So I'm going to be starting my screen record, and you guys know, as we always do it, I'll be attaching it either here or here. You have to pay attention to this analytics because there are some things I'm going to be explaining at the end of this video. So right now, my screen record is all started, like I said. And if you check the overview, I have gotten 69.5K view in the last 28 days. It doesn't mean I've not gotten more than these views, but in the last 28 days. Remember, this channel is just, monetization is just in the period of these 7 days, right? And you can see content that are really doing well for me. So let's just go to content because I don't want to waste so much of your time. You guys know me. Right now, if you go to the content, you can see that my top videos are the videos I did on YouTube Remove, my channel with over 16,000 subscribers. That video has gotten over 60,000 views, and I'm grateful for that. And you can see how I got monetized in 60 days. It's also doing well. I used my local and foreign currency to buy this. You can see it's also doing well as well, okay? And if you check how viewers actually find my videos, it's through browse features, a channel page suggested, and browse feature 9 be the best. You understand? You can see it here. 92 is not easy. Now, if you check the key moments for this audience retention, you can see that my intro is one of the things that is really hooking people to these videos for them to be able to stay and watch. Like, my intro is cool, and you can see that from my intros I'm getting 71%, 65%. That's why I said the first thing that people see on your channel is very important. You understand? If you tell them, should I stay or should I go? Now, if you check the audience of this particular channel, right, you can see that for returning viewers I have 3.3K view. And if you see when viewers are online, you can see it here, 12 a.m., 6 a.m., 12 p.m., 6 p.m. as well. And I'm so grateful for this. Device type, mobile, computer, TV, and tablet. You can see the age that are also watching these particular videos, which is 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 44 to 54, 55 to 64, and even 65 plus. Every category of age is watching my videos. That's what I always advise you people. Any video you're trying to bring on YouTube, ensure that you're putting your audience at heart. You understand? So that both the old, the young, and the new should watch, so that you can have plenty money and plenty views. Now, if you check at the genders, you can see both male and female are watching. In fact, female, I twirl for una 66%. God bless una. Then for geographics, which is the best country that is watching me, my topmost country, you can see Nigeria. You can see United States. You can imagine Nigeria and United States even competing. You can imagine. So this is so beautiful. Thank you so much to all my Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom fan. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are the best. Like, I love you guys. guys. Thank you so much for finding this beautiful princess worthy, right? Now you can see subtitle, then watch time for subscribers. You can see what your audience are also watching. You can see them here, and channels your audience also watch. You can see Chiamaka, you can see me, you can see Dove Bash, you can see Ogum series, Prince, and there are other more anyways. You can see the format your viewers watch on YouTube, my videos, my shorts, my live stream. I never even do live streams for this particular channel. Right now, let's go to the revenue, right? So if I click on the revenue, you guys can see that I've been able to earn $31.52 just within a period of 7 days. You can see they are even showing me that this one that they've calculated is just February 24. It simply means 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It never have reached 7 days. It never have reached 7 days. You can see that I've been able to earn $31.52. The first 24 hours of this particular channel, I earned, like, the first money I saw just dropped on the 19th of February 2024 or 2025. Sorry, which 2024? 2025 was $11. $11, and this is really huge for me because my other Vibe with Sonia channel, in a whole month, I was able to get just $11. My first month of getting monetized, like in a whole month, I got $11. And in this particular channel, in just 24 hours, I got $11. And when I saw it, I was just speechless. I was like, God, can this be you in action? Is this you in action? You understand? That's to say there's room for improvement at every point of your life. You can see that right now, it's still showing February ongoing. You can see that January, December, November, all of those ones are 00 because at that time, this channel is not monetized. This channel started making money this February 2025, and this channel has earned $31.52. As of today, dollar is about 1,500 or 1,600, depending on where you are changing your money from. You can make the calculation, you can get the math and see how much I've been able to make in less than 7 days. Because I'm going to say in less than 7 days, because the analytics that is showing me here is just February 24. It simply means from that 19 to February 24, they've not even added today's own, which is February 25. You understand? So I am so grateful for this. And if you watch all my, okay, this is just also, there is no too much talk here, right? So you can see it here anyways. But the thing I just want to let you know is, let me stop the screen record, right? Is YouTube is not just all about you getting monetized. It's all about you now putting in the work. Once you get monetized, you just simply need to know that the work is doubled, the work is tripled. Because if you don't upload videos, you are not going to be making money there. You understand? And imagine, since I got monetized, I just uploaded like twice, and I'm planning to upload like, I skip more uploads so that more money can actually be coming in. And this can also be you monetized and then making money. This can also be you sharing your revenue with us. One of the key things that is actually limiting a lot of people not to get monetized easily on YouTube, that I think number one is having that mindset of, I am not in a hurry to get monetized. And I ask myself, if you're not in a hurry to get monetized, then what are you in a hurry to do? Are you in a hurry to come and suffer on this YouTube street? Come and stay on this YouTube street for a whole 3 years, 4 years, 5 years without getting monetized? Honestly, it is frustrating. So if you know anything that you're supposed to do to ensure that your channel is monetized, please do well to monetize the channel. And like I always tell you guys, there is nothing you invest on your YouTube channel that is a waste. You understand? That is why I always advise you guys, it is very important for you to be like, oh, let's see what is really happening to my channel. Because there are a lot of things that is happening to your channel that even you, as a content creator, you will not be aware. You understand? I have to sit and re-strategize. And I told myself, if I get a channel monetized in 6 months, which is this particular channel that you're watching, and I get the second one monetized in 3 months, then this one, why can't I monetize it in 2 months or less than 2 months? And I did my math and calculation and everything, and in 2 months, I got this channel monetized. This can also be you getting monetized. That's why, if you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, you are even confused, you don't even know where to start, you don't even know how to start, this is where Sonia come in to display for you. With these particular flyers that I displaying on the screen that you guys are seeing, I can personally come into your YouTube channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what we can add. You understand? All you need to do is to send me a mail with this mail you are seeing on my screen, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Even if you don't want to do anything at all, say, Sonia, with just this $10, come and review this channel for me. Come and see what is really happening. I really want to know what is happening on this channel, because a lot of people, they think they know what they are doing, but honestly, we don't know it all. You understand? I'm not going to say I know it all as well, but I'm just going to tell you that I have experience that can actually help you, and this experience I've been able to help a lot of people. We know how many persons that we've been able to monetize this February. Because of my activities, I've not even been able to post a lot the way I usually post, like my monetization, people that have already monetized back to back. You understand? So all you need to do is to invite us. This is where me and you personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can minus, what you can add, so that at the end of the day, your channel can what? Be fruitful and multiply. Anyway, send us a mail with this mail displaying, and also with these flyers, you guys can be able to reach out to us, and definitely we are going to be replying you guys. Let me know in the comment section if this is so much or if this is small. Let me know in the first 7 days or less than 7 days that you get monetized on YouTube, how much are you able to make with just 3,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel? I really love to know. Let me know as well, do you think that we are going to be making more than this in the next month? Because for sure now, I know Sonia will definitely make more, but still let me know. If you have any video request you have in mind and you want me to film for you, also let me know as well, because my job here is, as you're requesting, I am delivering. Now, all these my monetization videos that I'm doing, how to do your super stickers, your membership, and everything that you guys are seeing, it is important that you keep it safe, so that whenever you are monetized, you just go back to those videos and then you check 1 or 2 things that you need to do to make it to make the process very easy for you. Because one of the issues that a lot of people are now having that is not allowing them to cash out on time is, once they get monetized on YouTube, you understand, once they get monetized on YouTube, it is difficult for them to like give themselves some different setup. So before they will do their setup, it's taking them like 1 week, 2 weeks. Just be say views, just they count, they go. That's why it is important for you to save all of these videos that you are seeing. Anyways, let me not blab too much again. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like this video, like I said, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do the policy in my videos. I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.